Hi everyone, this is Tina Jane. I am a brand ambassador for Pure Nails, and today I'm just going to do a quick Christmas design. And the three colours we're going to be using is Powder Blue, Silent Night, which is a new colour from the new winter collection, and French White. So first of all, we're just going to put a base coat on all 5 nails, and now 5 nails have the base coat, so we're going to cure that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Now we're going to do 1 layer of powder blue on all 5 nails. Making sure you get the full cover over the nails, cap the edge, complete this on all 5. All 5 nails have been painted, so we're just going to put that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. And now we're going to do a second coat. Now all 5 nails have been completed with a second coat of powder blue, so we're going to put that in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. Okay, so now we're going to do a couple of designs. So on the pinky and the index finger, I'm just going to coat that in the Silent Night glitter. And this one we're going to do like a little star and snowflakes. We're going to do a Christmas tree on this one and a star flake on this one, snowflake. So we'll do this one first, and we're going to use a dotting tool, and I've got some white gel there. So I'm going to use my striping brush to create 3 lines, making 6 arms of the snowflake. So we're going to bring it off centre slightly. And we're going to start here. I'm going to do it fairly big because it is a big one that we're going to do. I want it to stand out. Then we're going to quickly flash cure that for 10 seconds. Then on this one, we're going to do like a star in the corner up here. I'm going to make that quite large. And we're just going to do a few little specks just around it. You don't have to be in any particular order, but it's entirely up to you how you do it. And then we're going to use a striping brush to create the lines coming off this bit here. We're going to bring it down, up, to the side, and to the side. Okay. Very quick, we're going to flash cure that for 10 seconds. And then on this one, we're going to do a Christmas tree. So we're just going to do a line in the middle here, quick line. And starting from the bottom, might use the smaller part of the dotting tool because that's the large part and that's the small part. I'm going to use the small part and see how we get on, because with the gel it can run, so you need to do this as quickly as you can. So I'm going to start at the top here, and we're going to go in a bit of a zigzag motion, so it doesn't have to look neat, it can be how you want it. So very quickly. We just might have to re-go over some of the lines, see how we get on. Very quick and easy. We're going to flash cure that for 10 seconds. And then back to the snowflake. Okay, so using the striping brush again, we're just going to create like an arrow effect coming in very slightly. So we'll do it on this one to start with. So you see like the two lines there, we're just going to do that on each side. So I've just done all around that, so I'm going to quickly flash cure that for 10 seconds. Now back with the Christmas tree. I'm just going to add a few little specks around the sides of it. And flash cure that for 10 seconds. Now back to the snowflake, I'm going to use the larger side of the dotting tool. I'm going to put a dot at the end of each line. And obviously them three are too small, so I can't do that there. And then in between each one I'm going to do a dot about halfway up. That. And then flash cure that for 10 seconds because we don't want the gel to be running. Okay, so I'm just going to place that back on there. So at the end of the Christmas tree we're going to put like a little gem, or if you've got any star decals you can put that on there, but I'm just going to use one of the gems that we have. Okay. Going to place that on there, and then back to the snowflake. So we're now going to join the dots we have in the middle into the center. Sorry, I'm a bit blurred there. Okay, so we're now going to join the dots that we have in the middle here into the center using the striping brush. And then we're going to cure that for 30 seconds. And now with the two that we have with no detailing on them, we're going to cover those with glitter. So this is the new glitter Silent Night from the new collection. It's got a slight baby blue tone which is absolutely stunning. Trying to get this light so it focuses. There we go. Now I'm only going to do one layer. Now it's entirely up to you how many layers you do, but one layer it kind of shows the colour through the bottom as well. Such lovely like rainbow holographic glitter. So that's one. And we'll do this one as well. Sometimes when you've got glitter with the bigger pieces, you have to help maneuver them into the spots that you want them to be, because with this kind of glitter, if you keep brushing it, you'll end up with nothing at the cuticle area, so you have to work it around to suit your design. Lovely. So with this one, we're just going to add a few snowflakes around, just a few dots. And then all together we're going to cure that in the lead lamp for 30 seconds. If you feel like the gel's running to the side, you can turn it upside down for a few seconds and it'll help it level it out and bring it all back to the centre, and then place it back into the lamp. Okay, so instead of using gems, I'm going to use the same glitter. And I'm just going to get a little bit on my dotting tool. Okay. I'm going to place a large dot at the top of the Christmas tree, and also one in the middle of the snowflake, and that looks absolutely stunning. So I'm going to put that in the lead lamp for 30 seconds. And now, just to finish, we're going to top it off with a non-wipe top coat. This top coat is super glossy, so we're going to do that on all 5. Now, you can use the matte top coat if you prefer it to be matte and you don't like it glossy. You do you at the end of the day, whatever suits you. You can try out different colours, different designs, switch them about a bit, but would love to see your creations. I'm going to do the non-wipe top coat on all 5 nails. So all 5 nails have the non-wipe top coat. I'm going to put that in the lead lamp for 30 seconds. And here we have the finished results.